Hey boys and girls, and welcome to today's math mini lesson. We are still reviewing this week, so we are going to be talking about place value and some tens and ones. So if I showed you numbers like this, okay, so you have 3 tens and 5 ones. What I'd want you to do is I'd want you to show me the value of these two pieces. So 3 tens, 5 ones. Don't forget that tens, okay, equal the stick, or 10 ones, it's worth 10. Ones, on the other hand, are the little cube or the little dot, and they are worth 1. Okay, so if I had 3 tens and 5 ones, what I could do is I could draw my tens and ones chart, and I see I have 3 tens, 3 t's, 3 tens. This is a t, 3 tens. So I'm going to draw 3 sticks. And then I have 5 ones. Okay, 5 oh, 5 ones. So I'm going to draw my 5 ones. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I have 1, 2, 3 tens. My number should, excuse me, I apologize. My number should be 35. However, I'm going to double check. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So if you had a problem like this that said 3 tens, 5 ones, this is what I want you to do. I want you to show your work with base 10 blocks and then tell me the total value of this number sentence here. All right, let's try another one. Okay, I would like you to write this one down. That was an example. Okay, this time we got 5 tens and we got 5 tens and 7 ones. Okay, don't forget, we're going to draw our TO chart. 5 tens and 7 ones. We're going to draw out our numbers. Okay, with our base 10 blocks, 5 t's, 5 tens. Tens are sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 O's or 7 ones. They're singles. Remember, it's always smart to group them into groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to count. 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My number should be 57. I'm going to double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 51. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Okay. Remember, if I'm ever going too fast, you just hit pause. Pause me. It's all good. I understand. It's different because when I'm talking to all you, I'm waiting for you to give me the answer. And now you're not here right in front of me, so I don't wait. So just hit pause if I'm going too fast. You can also hit rewind too. Okay. Let's try another one. Now, be careful with this one. This one says 6 ones and 2 tens. So they don't have it in tens and ones order. So they put 6 ones and then they put 2 tens. So be careful. This says 6 ones. So you would draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is 2 tens. So I'm going to draw 2 tens. Now I say I have 2 tens. I have 6 ones. My number should be 26. But I'm going to count 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay? That's another example. Okay? 26. All right. What if I did one like this? Nine tens and 0 ones. Okay, same thing. I'm going to show it with your TO chart. Now I see I have 9 tens, 9 T's. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to need to throw this marker away soon. And I have 0 ones. So do I draw anything in my one spot? No, I do not. I leave that blank. I don't draw anything in my one spot. So 0 means nothing. So you don't want to put 0 here because then you're going to think that this is a ones cube, and it is not. No. Then we count our ones. There are 0 ones, and we count our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer should be 90. Okay, but we're going to double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Okay, so 9 tens and 0 ones is 90. Okay, let's try another one. We have a couple more I want to go through. Okay, let me try a different black marker, see if that helps. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, a little bit better. Okay. 0 ones and 7 tens. We're going to draw our TO chart. Now this says 0 ones and 7 tens. So 0 ones, 0 O's means I'm going to put 0 ones here. I'm not going to draw anything here. 7 tens or 7 T's. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I'm going to count 0 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm also going to double check by counting by tens. Remember, you always want to double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 0 ones and 7 tens is 70. Now, yesterday we talked about composing ones to make a new 10. Okay, if I look at a tens and ones chart, okay, and I had my numbers, I can only have numbers 0 through 9 in this spot and 0 through 9 in this spot. If I went to put a number 10 there, I would have to, so if I would try to put a number 10 here, okay, say I had 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Okay, this number right here looks like 110. Is that worth 110? No, it's not. So that's why you cannot put the number 10, any number greater than 9 in this spot or in this spot. So in this case, what I would have to do is I would have to take this group of 10 and I'd have to group it together. And I'm going to ship it over and make a new 10. Okay, now I have 0 ones and I have 2 tens because 10 ones is the same as 1 10. Okay, so we're going to do an example of this type of problem. You cannot put any number. You can only put 0 through 9 in any thousands, hundreds, tens, one spot. You can't put any number greater than that. Because if you think about it, like when we're counting, okay, another little example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. You don't put 10 in this spot. You put, it's 100. So you put 100 there. 10 tens is 100. So it can only go numbers 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See? Okay. Okay. So if I have 3 tens and 14 ones. I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh, you can't have 14 ones. But say I got a collection of ones and I'm adding them all together. So I'm going to draw my TO chart. I see I have 3 T's, 3 tens, 1, 2, 3. I have 14 O's or ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, we just talked about this. I can't have the number 14 here, okay? So I have to make a group of 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So take this group of 10, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to ship it over to the tens place and make a new 10. But I can't count this 10 anymore because I made it into a 10. So I have to get rid of it. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones left. Now I shipped this 10 over, so I need to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my number should be 44. My number should be 44. 3 tens and 14 ones should be 44. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. See how we did that? Okay. Let's do another one. Let's do 6 tens and 12 ones. Draw on our TO chart. Okay. I see this says 6 T's, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This says 12 O's, 12 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I always used to tell you, you always start with the ones. You always start with the ones. You want to start with the ones because you wouldn't want to count these and then have to compose and ship a 10 over because then you'll count wrong. So you want to start with the ones. I can't write the number 12 down here. I know I have 12 ones, so I got to make a group of 10. And I'm going to shift it over and make a new 10. I see I have 2 ones left. And then I'm going to count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my number should be 72. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. Okay. So those are just some examples of how to complete these types of problems with those number sentences with tens and ones. This goes over some composing pieces as well. Alrighty, boys and girls, thank you so much for joining me for this mini lesson. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.